Greetings, soap opera fans. Welcome back to TV season and spoilers. Today, we're embarking on an enthralling journey through the upcoming episodes of The Bold and the Beautiful for the weeks of February 5 to 16, 2024. Get ready for an emotional roller coaster filled with love, mystery, and drama. Let's start with the heart of the show, the blossoming love story between Nozawa and RJ Forrester. Their romance is a beacon of hope and happiness, casting a warm glow on the show. As they navigate through the joys and challenges of their relationship, we are reminded of the tender and often tumultuous nature of young love. Amid these tender moments, we pivot to Eric Forrester, a pillar of the show. So his upcoming celebration is a testament to his resilience and the enduring support of his family and friends. This event is not just a celebration of his improving health, but a symbol of hope and unity for the entire Forrester family. But as fans of The Bold and the Beautiful know all too well, tranquility is often a prelude to turmoil. Watch out for those unexpected developments that are bound to add spice and intrigue to the narrative. Let's delve into the mysteries that are brewing. The questions surrounding Luna's parentage continue to thicken the plot. The enigma of whether Bill is her biological father keeps us on the edge of our seats. And as if that weren't enough, the disappearance of Poppy's special mints adds another layer of suspense. What secrets do these mints hold, and how will their disappearance affect the dynamics between the characters? In a dramatic twist, the vengeful return of a character threatens to upheave the delicate balance of Thomas and Hope's love story. This return could potentially unravel the threads of their relationship. How will they navigate this new challenge? The suspense is almost unbearable, but amidst the chaos and uncertainties, there's a ray of sunshine. The week of February 5-9 promises to be a celebratory one, with wedding bells ringing in the Forrester house. Eric and Donna's story is a testament to enduring love and second chances. Their spontaneous wedding surrounded by loved ones will surely be a highlight of the week. However, the tranquility is short-lived as we move into the week of February 12-16. Love is in the air with Valentine's Day around the corner, but so is the scent of drama. Thomas's romantic plans for Hope are under threat from Xander's unexpected return. What does he have in store, and how will it impact Thomas and Hope's future? Each episode promises to be a tapestry of complex relationships, unspoken desires, and hidden agendas. The characters of The Bold and the Beautiful are set to take us on a journey filled with twists and turns, where every emotion is heightened and every moment counts. So, dear viewers, brace yourselves for a fortnight of unparalleled drama on The Bold and the Beautiful. It's going to be a ride you won't want to miss. And remember, for all the latest spoilers, gossip, and insights into your favorite shows, stay tuned to TV season spoilers. We're a one-stop destination for all things drama. Until next time, let the stories unfold.